How to apply a credit note to a bill in Xero. Let's get started. First, head over to the Xero website, provide your credentials and log into your account. From the top navigation menu, click on the Business tab and select Bills to Pay from the drop-down. Now click on New Credit Note. Enter the supplier's name in the form field. Choose the correct currency if applicable. Click the item field to enter what the credit is for and use the description field to add more details. If needed, click Add a new line to enter multiple items or adjustments. When everything looks correct, click the green Approve button in the bottom right corner. Once approved, Xero will let you allocate that credit note to an existing bill from the same supplier. Just go to the bill, click Allocate Credit and apply the amount from your new credit note. And that's how to create and apply a credit note to a bill in Xero. Whether you are fixing overpayments or adjusting returns, this method keeps your records clean and up to date. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.